Hi, I'm Anastasia Eden. I have been making vegan recipes for 27 years now, and I work here in the UK as a retreat chef. I have also published recipe books and written online video courses. So if you like what you see, please do go to my website kindearth.net and check them out. Today, in this short video, I'm going to show you a super easy red lentil dal with only about 4 ingredients. Super easy, ridiculously easy to make, quick, excellent for groups. You can make a big pan, you can make a little pan. It keeps in the fridge for a few days and you can freeze it. So let's go see how easy it is to make. So, red lentil dal, super easy to make. I think I've said that about 10 times now. There's hardly any ingredients and it's very quick. It works very well for groups. Just multiply the quantities and remember that you can freeze it and make it ahead of time as well. So what I did first of all, I got about 250 grams of red split lentils and I cooked them in water for about 10 minutes. That's about 3 cups of water, about 3 times the amount of water to lentils. Before it comes to the boil, I just want to get the spoon in there and mix it round a few times, just to stop the lentils sticking to the bottom of the pan, which they can do at times. So I brought it to a boil and then just let it roll on the boil for probably about 8 to 10 minutes. Throughout the cooking period, just give it a little stir just to help things cook nice and evenly. 8 to 10 minutes until the lentils had absorbed most of the water and looked fairly mushy. And then what I like to do is strain them in a very fine mesh strainer. You just rinse it, get the spoon in there until you're happy that the starch has rinsed off. Then you want to pop them right back into that pan and then finish off the dal. So what I did was added about 400 to 500 milliliters of passata. That's about 2 cups of passata, maybe a little less, a little more, whatever you feel like. And then 2 teaspoons of your favorite garam masala. That's something you can get in the health food shop or any supermarket quite easily. And then 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of sea salt. You can adjust those according to your preferred taste. And then you want to bring that right back to the boil again and then let it simmer for up to 10 minutes, a few minutes on the boil, and then it's all ready. And all those flavors have danced and weaved together. So as you can see, this is ridiculously easy to make. It's incredibly delicious. It goes really nicely with other curry items like turmeric rice, plain rice, another curry, chutney, poppadoms, chapatis or wraps. It even serves like a little soup on its own in a bowl with a bit of bread or a bit of chapati or some gluten-free bread. Super easy to make. Please do let me know if you make this in the comments below. Feel free to ask any questions and I hope that you subscribe to my channel and come visit my website kindearth.net. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.